seen my brother lose and stand, still lifting hope with trembling hands. Now I hear the trumpet call, over fear, over walls, Jah light on the broken ground, pulling my